Hey Hackrice, I want you to meet my friend Jordan. Jordan is a certified nursing assistant at a nursing and assisted living home. She works either a single 8 hour shift or a double shift, which amounts to 16 hours at the end of the day. So she's doing tens, if not hundreds, of patient calls every day. It's really hard work. But that's not the hardest part, according to Jordan. According to Jordan, the worst part is the last hour or two of her shift where she has to sit inside of a computer room and open the electronic health record and add every single patient interaction, one out of the hundreds, into the computer. This is hard work because she has to remember what happened 14 hours ago, how she specifically helped the patient, which patient was helped, and the timestamp of that. As you can imagine, this will be wildly inaccurate and, more importantly, incredibly painful for Jordan. So, what's the solution? The solution is Vana AI. Vana AI is an AI-enabled workforce optimization tool. It was built by Gabe, myself, Rahul, Jay, and Derek. The way this works is Jordan, as soon as she's done helping out a patient, opens her phone, opens the web app for Vana AI, and speaks into the microphone where she tells Vana AI exactly how she helped the patient. Our AI tools then break down this transcript into a bullet point list that can be sent to the EHR, or the electronic health record, seamlessly integrated into the system so that by the time it's done, Jordan, instead of having to spend hours in the computer room, only has to look over the new records that were created for a couple minutes to ensure everything is good and send it over to the hospital administration or the nursing home administration and staff. This is a much more efficient way to approach the process. It eliminates the stupefying hours that Jordan would have to spend sitting inside the computer room and ultimately improves patient outcomes because now Jordan can spend her time on the floor, on her feet, helping out patients in whichever way she deems best fit. Quick walkthrough of Vana AI. So let's start with the login and sign up flow right here. We're going to continue with an account we already made, but feel free to sign up and create a new account. All right, and we're in. The main point of the app, the entry point, takes you right to the recording page. The point of that is time saving and efficiency. Nurses want to enter the web app and instantly be able to put down their thoughts and get back to their day. That's the idea. And so we can start with the recording. Just to test out that this works, we'll start it right now. Hi, it's Rahul. I just helped out my patient Michael. I helped him get out of bed and administered medication. And so right here, soon we can see a summary populate. We saw Michael as the patient, Rahul as the nurse, and the two actions that were performed to the patient. And this gets added to the transcription history. So we can check it out here with this button, and we can also check it out in this drop-down menu. So we can go to the transcripts, and over here we see the different actions that were performed, and the nurses that completed the actions, and the patient that the actions were performed on, following this structure. You also have the different dates that are shown here, so we can go back to yesterday. There was nothing that happened yesterday, but what you can see is that you can move by dates and see different events that are happening on different days. You can also edit it to change the dates that are, or to change the events that are happening, and you can sort by everything by date. And finally, you can download a CSV of all the summaries, so you can get an Excel document that contains a summary of everything that's going on. And as you can see right here, it downloaded. This is to enable a better ease of access and entry point into the EHR software, just making things easier to move around. And finally, you have the data analytics dashboard. So right here on the metrics, you can see the patients, what the patients need, what they're using. All these are based on the tasks that are being performed every single day. And so this is a neat little tool for the nurses to better understand what is going on and get some data-driven decision-making happening.
For our tech stack, we used React, JavaScript, and TypeScript to build out the front end, as well as WebKit for speech recognition capabilities. For the back end, we used Firestore's NoSQL online database, Node.js Express to set up endpoints, GPT-4o to perform summaries, and Auth0 for authentication.